Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound yen, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3, possibly a 1, 2, 3 of a big ABC correction on the monthly time frame. Definitely no sign that the wave 3 is over, and even when the wave 3 ends, it's going to have to make a wave 4 and a wave 5 just to end this section of trend. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it looks like we're not respecting the 78.6. Quite often you do get retest after you blow through a fib level, so maybe it is going to go back down, retest that level, and then continue back up. Definitely no reason as of yet to think this wave 3 is over yet. So taking it down to the daily time frame, we are kind of at a little bit of an area of resistance. The 138 is sometimes an area of resistance, but at this point, I would definitely be looking for pullback entries to go long. It kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3. Maybe it needs to make a wave 4, make a wave 5, or maybe it's just a subdivision of a much bigger uptrend, which is still a part of a wave 3 on the weekly and monthly time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement. I personally am definitely looking for longs only on the yen pairs, on every single yen pair. I'm looking for three-way pullbacks, 1, 2, 3. I'm looking for Fibonacci bounces to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. I am definitely long only at least until the daily time frame gives me a reason not to be, which it definitely has not done yet. So on the 1 hour time frame, I'm looking for three-way pullbacks. I got impulsive down, I got corrective up, we got impulsive down. If it goes down to one of these fib levels, which really it could be any one of them, I think that 61.8 is pretty likely. And we do have a little bit of news this afternoon, so maybe it will push it down a little bit more, which is good because if it does make a nice pop ABC correction down to one of these fib levels, then an engulfing move to the upside, that would be exactly what I am looking for an entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. Like I was saying, until at least the daily time frame, makes a break of structure, makes a lower high, makes a Fibonacci bounce, which it's done none of those things yet, I am definitely looking for only longs at the end of every single three-way pullback that I can see for the continuation of this big uptrend, which I still think is a wave 3 of wave C on the monthly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live Zoom meetings and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.